What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Lee Vlog. So today's episode, we are going snorkeling again. I know in the last episode we went snorkeling, but in this episode we're going snorkeling, but this time we should have underwater footage. Since Asia's GoPro is definitely going to work this time since she updated it and everything's a go. That should bring it. But I'll catch up with you guys in a moment. Asia left her mask, so that's why we had to come back to her house. But we're on the way now.
Yeah, they gonna keep it simple. Hey! T-shirts, supervising at the lights, rolling out the window while I'm hiding at your baby. Getting high in my best friend's ride. Self-made player, baby, ain't no.
Alright, so in a couple minutes, looks like we're about to cross the first bridge that will take us to what? I think there's an island in between the island that we're going to, right? Pretty sure. I don't know. But we're about to cross the bridge, so there should be some pretty beautiful scenery. Talking shit?
No, I didn't say anything.
Now, when I pull up, I got something on my neck. Paranoid that somebody's coming for my head, but she didn't love the boy and she tryna get some. I gave her a wink and then she bring that ass home. I am just a small town kid in her zone.
So as you can see right now, it's low tide, but by the time probably around 12 o'clock, the tide should be getting high, so you should be able to see some good deep water. But way back there, you can see the crystal blue waters of Okinawa. Oh yeah.
Baby, getting high in my best friend's ride. Self-made player, baby, ain't nobody made me. Yeah, system blasting at the lights, rolling down the window while I'm hollering at your baby. Getting high in my best friend's ride. Self-made player, baby, ain't nobody made me. You.
I don't know where we're going. It's hidden beach somewhere.
How was that? Shit, I want to go there.
It looks lit.
It's so pretty.
It's gonna follow this.
It says we're 7 minutes away. It might take us down, or it might just take us somewhere else, but it probably will look the same.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Sure it will.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
It's lit. Oh, baby, and hella weeds and shit. Driving too close. Oh god. I'm about to die. Oh man. We ended up on this back road. We don't know where it takes us, but we'll see soon. It's really tiny. Asia's car is getting fucked up. Alright, so quick update. We are kind of lost. We are going to take a little detour. Asia read something in Japanese, and I don't know what it means, but she wants to investigate it. So we're going to take that stairway down into the jungle and see what's down there. So pray for us. Let's go, baby. Oh, you got to update your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, go ahead. 2 cameras on you. No pressure.
Quick update. So we're kind of in the middle of nowhere, and I can't really read all the kanji. It says like something shot like down there. Like, I'm not too sure. I know, shame on me. But we're just gonna go down and see what it is.
Fuck it. All right, so far so good. Okay. What is it?
It's just a site.
A waterfall site?
No.
What is this? So this is it. We don't know what it is. Some sort of waterfall? Running water? Is that in English?
It's a historic prefecture. Oh, it's a river. Oh, it's a river.
Oh. Okay. So we found a historic landmark in Okinawa. Pretty much. Still pretty dope. Beautiful area.
It's out there.
These little spots are all over Okinawa. It would be dope if they had it in English too, so we could read what it really means, but it's okay. My bad, guys. I had you guys on the narrow setting on the camera, so you guys are super up close to me. But that is fixed now, as you can see. I'm gonna back it out for a real G, because I ain't trying to walk over there, get bit by something. There's all kinds of crazy ass fucking snakes and creatures out here. And we're very, very far from the US hospital, so nah, not me, bro, not me. It looks like we found the directions. I will definitely link the article that we used to find Hidden Beach. But yeah, this is it.
Oh, sick.
It's a little off-road trail. Asia thinks she's in a truck. Oh man, jungle adventures. I'm going out, babe.
No.
Babe, I'm going.
No.
I'm going. Okay. We do it for the vlog. This is what Okinawa is about. You get lost, you go explore, you have a good fucking time. Don't stay in your fucking rooms all day. Go out there and explore, okay? Yes. Yes. Look at that.
Be careful, babe. Be careful.
I'm good, baby. I'm good.
Look out.
Oh shit. I got a duck. Baby, no. Oh, babe, go, go, go. Go. Oh. Shit. All right, so we made it down that trail. We are officially parked. And now we're gonna walk down this trail right here. You can actually continue driving down this. Pretty much, we're gonna get our gear and we're gonna head that way.
Is this still recording?
Yep. Definitely recording. Okay. Good.
Pushing me. Oh. Thanks, babe.
I don't need sunscreen, babe. It's just crazy. I don't need sunscreen. Never need sunscreen. Alright, so this walk is a little longer than expected, but it's all good. Alright, you guys ready for this fucking view? It's about to happen right now. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ocean. Oh yeah. It's the lifestyle. Oh yeah. So this is Hidden Beach. They call it Hidden Beach because it's hard to find. And you gotta use Okinawa High fucking directions to get here. But damn, this is fucking nice. This is really nice. Cliffs. Oh god, this is fucking dope. This is fire.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. No shirt Lee. Fuck it. I'm about to push. Ugh. Okay, we made it. Boom. We're not the only Americans here. Oh god. To the left. There's more Americans. Alright. A little closer look. It's fucking amazing here. It's not too dirty of a beach. Can definitely get out there. Definitely getting into the drop off. All right, so basically if you see all the way out there where the wave breaks, all the waves are just crashing in, that's where the drop off is. If you don't know what the drop off is, I will plug the clip from Finding Nemo right now.
Be safe.
Hey, you're doing pretty well for a first timer.
Well, you can't hold on to them forever, can you?
Yeah, I had a tough time when my oldest went out on the drop off.
They just gotta grow up some. The drop off? They're going to the drop off?
Hey guys, wait up! Whoa.
Okay, anyways, basically we gotta walk all the way out there in these little booties and then we'll put on our actual fins. So you think walking through the jungle was bad, now we gotta walk a good, probably about 2.5 football fields all the way out that way just to get to the drop off. But it's definitely worth it because that's where all the good fish are at. Hopefully no sharks. So now I'm gonna switch off of this camera, hopefully get some underwater footage with Asia's GoPro that I will be stealing. You got anything to say, babe? Nothing? You good?
Ready.
I did what I had to do. Now I'm on a beach out of Malibu. Getting green, eating salad too. Yeah, got the dreams of living in a palace too. Hey, girl, you fine, I like your attitude. Yeah, I can see us riding down the avenue, yeah. You getting girls, man, they coming after you, yeah. They ain't bad as you, girl, go and speak the you from Malibu. Anything for you, that's what I have to do. Yeah. Have you switching sides, look you in your eyes. Girl, it's no surprise, yeah, I've been a guy. Yeah, hey, I've been a guy. Oh, I've been a guy. Push you up in the sky. I push you in the sky. I could really get you fly. Yeah, we can let them know we ain't gotta sneak. We can flex together, make them haters weak. Hey, we could hit the bed, we ain't gotta sleep. Hey, hitting Malibu and walking on the beach, yeah. Hey, walking on the beach, yeah. Talk to me, girl. Talk to me, girl. Tell me what you wanna do. Walking on the beach. Tell me what you wanna do. Talk to me, baby. Oh, yeah. Hey, I put what you say first, like the first verse. Girl, you're so bad, made me pray at church. Had to find your love, girl, I had to search. Hey, bouncing back and forth out in LA. Hey, bouncing up and down, girl, you kill me. Yeah, I could get you flyer like a Philly. Yeah, you be at the crib till it's too late. They say that you might let me down. I know that you won't. Yeah, you made me wanna show you around my town. Stunner all the hoes. Yeah, girl, I got the faith in you. Yeah. Every time I'm facing you, I feel good, shawty. Tryna buy a place with you.
Alright guys, so we just ended our snorkel adventure. Hopefully the GoPro footage works out for us. But we had a good time. We made it all the way to the drop off. We went out there during low tide, so it wasn't too bad, but then the high tide came in. And before we knew it, we were in about 30 to 40 feet of water, and it began to get a little harder to swim back. But we made it out safely. Asia is still alive over there. Did you have a good time, baby? Awesome. Hope the GoPro got the footage. I know it definitely probably got some pictures of us, so if there's no footage, I'll just do like a photo collage of pictures. But yeah, until next time, like, comment, subscribe. Lee Vlogs out.
Tell me what you wanna do.